Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video I am gonna talk about top 5 shower benches and chairs. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Platinum Health Carousel Sliding Transfer Bench with Swivel Seat Padded Bath and Shower Chair. This transfer bench is the best solution for people with a disability to move into the shower. With the help of a caregiver or anyone else, the user can comfortably move to the shower. This is a professional-grade transfer bench which is suitable for caregiving centers and home. It's easy to connect the bench with the bathtub. For the safety of the user, there is a safety strap. It gently holds the user. Also, it ensures the comfort of the user. There are armrest and a backrest. You can raise the armrest according to your need. The legs are durable and corrosion-resistant. It perfectly fits a standard bathtub for the convenience. This sliding bench chair is suitable for any person who can move herself to the shower. Its sliding design and safety strap helps for flawless movement to the bathtub or shower. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vive Medical Bath Stool with padded rotating seat. If you are looking for an item which won't take much space in your bathroom, you should try this stool. It easily fits the shower and most of the bathtubs. This stool rotates up to 360 degrees to comfortably reach to the shower. It locks in every 90 degrees to reduce the twisting for safety. It is ready to use and doesn't require any tool to assemble. The stool is padded for comfort. The seat height is adjustable to suit to bathtubs. There is a removable tray with it for storing essential items. It is slip-resistant and the legs come with rubber to avoid skidding. For hassle-free cleaning, the top is removable. This is an ideal stool for people with arthritis or similar conditions. It is a great solution to move yourself to the shower with less stress on your leg or shoulder. At number 3, we have the Vive Shower Stool. Sometimes you may need to sit on a chair when taking a shower. For example, when you are removing hair from your legs, you need to sit comfortably. This Vive shower stool will provide enough space to sit with comfort. You can adjust the height with a simple step and DOESN and #39T require any tool. This stool is suitable for both shower and tub. It is a safe option for you to sit in the shower. The stool comes with angled legs and they don and #39T skin. The seat is also slip-resistant to avoid any unwanted issues. It is a portable and lightweight stool which is easy to transport. Its diameter is 12.5 inches, which are enough for an average person. If you are looking for a minimal shower sitting arrangement, this is the best option for you. It allows adjusting the height according to your need. At number 2, we have the Duro-Med Heavy-Duty Sliding Transfer Bench Shower Chair with cutout seat and adjustable legs. For handicap or disabled person, this shower tub transfer bench is an ideal product. It helps to person with the disability to go to the bathtub. It comes with the sliding design. By attaching one end with the shower, a caregiver can comfortably move the chair to the shower. It is an easy-to-use chair that comes with the sliding design. The main seat comes with the plastic material and the frame with aluminum construction. It is easy to assemble and DOESN and #39T require any tools and expert help. The seat is slip-resistant and it always drains the water properly. There is a cutout on the chair which is removable. It helps with perennial access. The height is adjustable for the convenience. It can accommodate bathtub heights up to 19.5 inches. It is a good solution for people with special need. Taking a shower is easier by moving the person on the chair. And finally, at number 1, we have the AquaSense Adjustable Bath and Shower Chair with Non-Slip Seat. This is a compact shower chair which is easy to move. It fits any individual who needs to sit during the shower time. Especially, this chair is ideal for people with disability. You can start using it just after receiving. It is so easy to assemble and DOESN and #39T require any tool. The curve shape of the chair helps to sit on it comfortably. The main material is plastic and it is durable enough. It comes with the slip-resistant feature for the safety. Legs are durable enough to provide support up to 300 pounds. It easily fits any bath mat. The best thing is, water never stuck on it. There are drainage holes to pass the water. If you have some issues in your legs and you can #39T stand during the shower, this item is recommended for you. It is highly durable that serves for years without any issues. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.